So here we are on the world famous Xavier's Road in South Oxnard, and we're about to check out the C.A.U.S.E Centro Mujer. Although C.A.U.S.E prioritizes the Ventura County residents, it also provides services for residents in Santa Barbara County. The issues the organization tackles are immigration rights, housing justice, workers' rights, environmental justice, voting rights, and it invests in youth of color. So the Central Coast Alliance United for a Sustainable Economy, otherwise known as C.A.U.S.E, has done a significant amount of work in Oxnard throughout many years, including winning a city living wage ordinance, expanding local bus service, winning more resources for college access for youth, uplifting farm worker rights, and improving the health of school nutrition services. C.A.U.S.E helps stop unjust evictions, defeat the C.A.U.S.E power plant, and community resilience during the Thomas Fire. Although C.A.U.S.E prioritizes the county residents, it also provides services for the people in Ventura, Santa Barbara, Santa Maria, as well as Santa Paula. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed learning about C.A.U.S.E. Make sure you check out the rest of the Radical Walking tours and make sure you like. Thank you.